Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And yes, it has been quite a while since I posted a video. A lot's been going on, but today we are reviewing the Rode NTG4 Plus and the accessories that came with it. Alright, so like I said, a lot's been going on lately. We've had the Apple event come out with the new iPhone 13s and the iOS 15, and we've also had lots of other products from big companies such as Canon. They've released some new cameras since then. But today, we are reviewing a new shotgun microphone that would be very useful for the channel and work that I do. So let's just go and get this box over here. This microphone is retailed for, I'm pretty sure, around $400, and I found it for way cheaper on Amazon. So right now, if I check it on Video.com, it's $399, so $400. And on Amazon, I'm pretty sure I got it for $249 the other day. So it was on a sale, and that's why I really wanted to check it out, because I heard it was a really nice microphone. So if we take out all the packaging, we can see that we have the NTG4 Plus box right here. I really love it. It's a great box. We also got a dead cat, and we also got a little a mount for it to hop onto a pole, something like that. So we don't need these anymore. I want to first look at the smaller accessories just so I can kind of check them out and gauge what they do and how they feel. So yeah, let's just get my smaller knife out today. Open up the dead cat. Now this one was meant for the NTG4 Plus microphone, and it was provided by UShares, a company. It was made in China. So let's check it out. Alright, so yeah, here it is. It feels very soft, smells new, and inside is some type of, I would guess, some type of material that just does not feel too delicate, but it probably keeps the microphone in. Other than that, it feels very, very professional. It's not very heavy. I like that. So I'm actually very satisfied with this dead cat. Over here we have our mount, which doesn't really require any cutting. Just open it up. It comes with these, I'm not even sure what this is. It comes with these little rubber rings. It comes with our, a hot shoe adapter, I think. I think right. Yes, this is a hot shoe adapter. And we have our boom arm mount. Awesome. So, yeah, these rubber rings are for the shock absorbent holder for the mic. It's just in case these break or you misplace one of them. And it feels pretty good. It's pretty much plastic except for the metal screw, but other than that, it feels nice. So yeah, here is the microphone. Again, like I said, I really like the way it was packaged. It is very intricate, the actual product itself. It is a directional shotgun microphone with a rechargeable battery inside of it, super low noise electronics, high pass filter, a pad, and a high frequency boost, a battery that can hold up for 150 hours of usage, a micro USB cable, and a 10-year warranty. So to me, that sounds like a pretty nice product. It comes with a wind, yeah, here is the wind foam. It's kind of deformed, but it should go back to shape after I let it out of its packaging. And then we have the actual microphone itself. There it is. It feels very, very professional. I love the matte-ness of it. I love everything about it. I love everything about it. I love everything. It's so great. The buttons on it, there are great features on this microphone. Made in Australia. So we're gonna keep this right here. It also comes with a micro SD cable. And it does come with the mic holder, so I might not even need this, actually. So I might have to think about why I have this now. Other than that, there's just some things about a blue ring, which I'm not sure what that is. It's, for XLR. There's also some paper documents on how to get started. The sticker that says I love Rode microphones, and our 10-year warranty. And also, my favorite part about this is the Rode case right at the bottom. So we get this nice Rode case, which I love to have. But we now have everything we really need. So I want to plug this in and see how it sounds compared to the one you're listening to right now. Though there is some ambient noise that I can't reduce. So let's get it going. Alright, so we now have the Rode NTG4 Plus right here. And I have eliminated the other microphone above me. So it's now just this microphone. And immediately right when I plugged it in, it started to turn on. There's a light on it. And we have about 3 different options. There's a low pass, high pass, and a, well, let's just test one out. So this is the -10. Hello. And now you can see that it brought it down 10 decibels, most likely. And it's much quieter. So let's turn this one back off. And there it is. Let's now do the low pass, which should remove the bass from my voice. Testing. And boom. So now you can see there's not as much bass in my voice. So let's turn that one back off. Boom. And now there's that bass back in there. And now it's to the last one, which is the opposite. It's actually adding some more treble. So let's add it right now. Add it, and there it is. You can hear more of that mouth, whatever you call that. Me talking, those trebles are up there. You can hear high-pitched, high-frequency things more easily. So let's turn this one off. So yeah, those are the 3 different modes on the microphone. And this is all without anything on them, without a foam, windscreen. So let's put this on. And there's this one. So this obviously removes a lot of the high-pitched noises, but again, we can always add them back. I just noticed you can add all 3. This is with more high-pitched noises, and this is going to be without bass, but still having those high-pitched voices. So this right here is what a microphone would usually sound like in the lower cost area, but once you add these elements back, now it's starting to sound nice and textured and whatnot. So it sounds pretty good. This is what this on. Let's put on the dead cat. Sorry about that. I bet you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, this is what it sounds like with the dead cat. I'm pretty sure you can hear a little bit more of those trebles. Other than that, I don't really hear much of a difference. But let's hear the difference between both microphones now. Right here is the directional Sennheiser mic, and this right here is the Rode NTG4 mic without any presets, any EQ added. But yeah, that was the microphones. Again, I really like them both. The Rode one is definitely a game changer. I'm hoping to start posting a lot more. We are adjusting a lot of things for the channel, for the company. We want to make a new website. We want to make some new designs for logos, merchandise. We want to get a lot of things done out there, and we have a long way to go before we perfect anything. This is just, again, a milestone. We now have equipment for audio, 2 microphones that help us record stuff. So I'm really enjoying the purchase. Again, the links of these things will be in the description below. They're not affiliate links. You can easily just go check them out. I'm not sure how many of them will be in stock by then on Amazon with the discounted price, but there's also another link for the regular one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If so, leave a like and comment down below which microphone you've looked at or you like, and I'll make sure to go to check it out and see how good it is. And also, if you're new to the channel, just consider subscribing. I'm always looking to grow. And if you want to click the bell icon, get notified every time I post something, go ahead. And I'm gonna log off here today, play around with these microphones. So see you guys later.
You think I'm moving right out the fool? I'm better than you. I'm like, ooh, I can feel it from across the room. Whatever I do, I'm like, this motherfucker might sue me, and that motherfucker might boo me. I'ma keep on going to a better day. All this other bitterness can fade away. It doesn't matter how ugly. Keep telling me you don't love me. Nothing in my pocket, but I'm still okay. All I really know is how I feel today. Ooh, I got $1 in my pocket. Still, I don't really wanna rock it. Tryna have some fun with the side show. All I really